Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's 2013 Kawasaki Ninja 300. Just a few mods I did to it. First off, I got the aftermarket exhaust that I got off eBay for about 50 bucks, and you just gotta buy this separate piece off of eBay too, which is like 15 bucks. So all in all, it's like $65 for the exhaust. And I did the fairing, black plasti dip with the red pinstripe, because the previous owner actually dropped it on the left side over there, and a little scratch. So scratched up over there, so I plasti dipped it, pinstriped the wheels red, rear seat cowl, red clip-ons with the red shorty levers. Let's see. Way over here on this side is where the previous owner dropped it. You can't even tell anymore. It was just up there on the top there. So I went over it with the black plasti dip. And also have a red chain. And I actually cut the chain protector and painted it red, give it a cleaner look. I didn't like that long piece over there covering the chain. It just looked ugly. And I've got the rear fender eliminator. That's actually something I just did homemade. Little fender eliminator there. Two little brackets. And got that little LED light there for the light. And then we got the integrated tail light there. Gives it a much cleaner look. It's a great bike, nice bike. I mean, my previous bike was the 2012 Yamaha FZ6R. Kind of looked just like this in a way. I have a video up on YouTube with that also. And I actually got rid of that about a year or two ago. So, you know, I missed riding. And summer's coming now. And I figured I'll just, you know, I just wanted to get something to ride around with for a little while for the summer. And I picked this up for really cheap off Craigslist. It has 1,700 miles on it, and I got it really cheap. And you know, just did all this. It came stock. It was just all white, like how they come stock. You didn't have the exhaust or anything on this bike. Everything was just stock, and I did everything to the bike. You know, gave it my own little personal touch. And eventually, I'm only riding it for the summer, and then I'm putting it up for sale soon. So anyone in New York, Long Island, you know, want a Ninja 300 2013, just hit me up, and just let me know what you think. And I also have another video with the sound of the exhaust. I didn't know, I'm not going to do that on this video because it's a little early and people are sleeping, so I don't want to wake them up. But I do have another video if you want to take a look at that, see how the exhaust sounds. Thank you for watching, and let me know what you think. Thank you.